Hey my friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Retired Shenanigans and I do cooking vlogs. I do other stuff too, but mainly I love to do a cooking vlog. So come on along. Today, as you see, I got this Gordon fish sandwich. I'm gonna make me a fish sandwich. Just me, nobody else. So I'm gonna bring you along. I'm gonna show you how I cook them. I don't know what to have with it. I don't want French fries. I'm sick of French fries. So I might just have the sandwich by itself. So I'm gonna cook it up. I'm gonna make me some tartar sauce. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my tartar sauce. And we're gonna have fish sandwich for dinner. We're gonna say it's gonna hopefully taste like McDonald's, maybe not. I'm not going for anybody but my own. So if you like fish sandwiches, let's go. So this is how I make my tartar sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise because just me, I don't need much for my one sandwich. Tartar sauce, mayo, relish, and white vinegar. No measurement, as much as you like. So I'm gonna stir it up. So that's mayonnaise, sweet relish, vinegar. That noise is outside. I live in New York. I got my windows open because it's such a nice day. You don't need no air conditioning, no nothing. So that's the gas trucks running by. So okay, so now this is the tartar sauce. As you see, I got the little fishy in the pan. I put a little oil in the bottom of it. I cut on the fire. I want it to cook like that. The instructions say to cook it conventional oven, preheat, bake them in the conventional oven or air fryer. I don't want none of those, so I'm gonna fry it in this, and we're gonna see how it comes out. Excuse me. Sneezing a little bit. So I ain't put no seasonings on it or nothing yet. I don't know what kind of seasoning you put on it. Oh, I don't want Obey. I got Obey, but I don't want Obey. Let's put some soul food seasoning. I'm not gonna put much because I got the tartar sauce. I don't want it to be too salty. That's on one side. Oh, look, it's sticking. I ain't put enough grease. Let's put some more. It's been years, really. I've been craving a fish sandwich. I will go to the store and buy it. It's a place around here that we call Crown Fry. And I will go get them. And I pay like $5 for one. It might be a little bigger than this, but it's $5. I bought that whole bag for $5. So I'm going to learn how to make them myself. I'm going to put it on a Walmart bun. And it's going to be good. I'm going to toast the bun like they do. cut the fire down some. I'm going to toast the bun like they do at this Crown Fire store that I get them from. And I'm going to cook this slow. I don't want it to cook too fast. Because I don't want it. I want the inside to get hot. So we cut the fire down more. We're going to put a little cheese on it. And a little lettuce. Tell me what you guys are going to have for dinner tonight. This is very quick, simple, and very cheap. Very cheap. Excuse me a minute. I got to blow my nose. I don't feel sick. So it must be allergies. Rarely do I get allergies. But I do sometimes. They say the pollen is high. So it's cooking. We're going to melt the cheese on there. I have my cheese and my lettuce. My cheese and my lettuce. So, we're toasting the bun. And it's going to be good. I'm sure of it. Because if nothing, it's going to be edible. So what are you guys having today? I asked that question. Comment below. I'm happy that I'm able to make these videos for you guys. Let me let you look at me for a little bit. I'm glad to make these videos. Because you know shenanigan is a shenanigan. All over the place doing whatever they want when they get ready. So I'm so glad to be here making these videos for you guys. And I'm glad that you guys are engaging with me, watching and looking. So, you know, just keep coming back. The more I do it, the better I get, I believe. So that's what they say. You got to get the feel for it. I don't want to not act like I know everything because I don't know nothing about YouTube and how to become a big-time content creator. Very small. You guys can see I'm just trying to get to where I need to get. And I'm asking you guys, if you like my content, subscribe, like, and comment. I need the engagement from you guys so I can get monetized, you know. That's the whole purpose of doing YouTube. So let me get monetized. I'll keep making these videos for you guys. We can eat all kind of food. Give me some suggestions on what you guys would like to see me cook, because I am open for everything. So we're gonna go back here to the fish. Let's turn it again. See, it's cooking slow. Nice and slow. I might eat two. Depends on how I'm feeling when I eat this one. But I won't show y'all that. I don't want y'all to see how greedy I am. But look how golden and brown it's getting. Let's check our toast. It's not done yet. But thank you for watching my videos, everybody. You know, I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for a lot of things in my life, you know. Maybe one day I'll tell you my story. I don't have no real big, poor, grieving story. But to me, my testimony might be touch somebody. But right now, I'm not ready to share that with you guys. There's nothing like living in low income with 10 kids. I don't have all my kids are grown, out the house on their own. But I do have a testimony that I'm proud of. But I gotta get you guys to want to see me for me, not for my hardships. You know, everybody got a hardship. Everybody got a hardship. So just come on and like me for my vibe. Like me for the content that I do on this page. So on that, I'm gonna come back when I'm gonna come back, show you how I assemble it, and we're gonna eat. We letting cheese melt on the fish. We're gonna put this on the bottom. It's our tartar sauce. This is our tartar sauce. And put some on the top bun too. Hear that over there? That my cheese burning. Let me get it. Ah. Okay, back to assembling the fish sandwich. Cheese, some lettuce. Not much, not long. Quick, fast, and easy. This is a quick, fast, and easy dinner. If that's what you want to call it. Lunch, brunch, snack. But it's going to be my dinner. I'm going to cut it because I want you guys to see what it look like on the inside. Fish. Now let's taste it. All right. So here we are with our fish sandwich. We're going to taste it. They little, right? I might have to make me another one. Hot. It's hot. Mm. Oh, it's good though. It's really, really good. No joking. It tastes like the fish. Don't taste like McDonald's or nothing like that. It tastes like this fish store. I call it Crown Friday. They serve all kind of stuff. They make the fish sandwich. It tastes just like it. That I paid $5 for. But I bought the bag for $5. This is good, people. It really is. Store-bought fish, I wouldn't believe it tastes so good, but it do. So that's the way I cook it in the pan. You can cook it any kind of way you want. The bag says conventional oven or air fryer, but I like to use the stove. You can season it any kind of way you want and everything. You know, do whatever you want with it. It's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you like my content, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.